Love in disguise. Wow. Hey guys, welcome back to Sahara with I'm Lydia again, and I'm your host for today. In this video, we'll take a look at Love in Disguise season 7 and 8, and then we'll have some expectations from season 9 and 10. I think season 9 and 10 will be the last and final episodes. So this film is about a lady who meets a prince, and unfortunately the prince had an accident and he's crippled from what I'm seeing for the rest of his life. Though I think there'll be a miracle in the next episode. But for now, he's crippled. Initially, the lady showed lots of love and support, unconditional love and all that. Because the prince is very loving, he's caring, he's gentle, he's supportive, he's not stingy, like he's good. He's really showing a lot of love to this lady, Clara. Bought her family a house to live in. It's like helping her live a comfortable life because he wants to get married to her in future. But sometimes in life we need to be tested so that we see if this person is right to be in our lives or not. And I think the accident the prince had was a necessary accident. Like it was a necessary tragedy. Sorry, it was a necessary tragedy that the prince needed to have in order to know the real character of Clara. Yes, at the previous episode, I thought Clara was good, like the way she was resistant from Kelvin, who was tempting her and all that. So I thought, oh, okay, this lady, she's good, she's very submissive. Until this episode, it came to light that the Prince Williams is going to be crippled for the rest of his life and he cannot take over the throne in that condition. So meaning Clara will never be a queen or something. Will just be married to the prince and they won't take over the throne. And thinking of this, she actually saw it as a disadvantage. Meaning looking deep into it, meaning Clara didn't love the prince in the first place. She only loved what he is or what he was. He's a prince, he's rich, he's caring, she only loves that's quality. So now that Clara is being put to a test, she's failing because the love wasn't there at the first place. And she thinks she's being smart about it. She has seen the future and she's protecting herself by moving to Kelvin. I know she'll later regret it. That is how the movie seems right now. She'll eventually regret it. And I hope the prince marries Clara's friend because Clara's friend seems to be a respectful and obedient person. I remember in a previous episode when Clara warned her friend about Kelvin, she actually pushed herself away from him. So meaning she's someone who listens. She's someone who, like, I don't know, she's wise, yeah. Even though she eventually finds out that her friend is with Kelvin, she doesn't seem to act weird about it. She's still cool. She's not. So I think if the prince should search for someone else, she should consider Clara's friend. Because Clara's friend, from what I've seen, she's good. She cooks also, yeah. I think she should be a perfect match for the prince. This is a story that exists in our day-to-day lives. Like in our daily lives, there are such people like that. They are normally with you because of what you are, not who you are. What you are, not who you are. And when you are being tested, when the person goes through a very tough time, that is when you find out who really loves you, whether they love you for who you are or they love you for the money you have, the luxury, the assets you are. So right now, I think this movie is teaching us a great lesson, especially in our relationships. Have you wondered why someone is taking so much to you? Yeah, have you really wondered about it? Yeah, because this is how I'm thinking about it. So now let's make some expectations for the upcoming episode. Season 9 and season 10. I think that will be the final seasons. So right now, the prince, I think he's faking that he's crippled just to test Clara. That's what I think. He's faking that he's crippled. So eventually he'll stand up to his feet and it will be too late for Clara to go back. By then, Clara will know the real character of Kelvin. He will know the real attitude she's dealing with, and then when she later realizes that Kelvin is no way compared to Williams, she would want to go back to Williams. By then it will be too late. By then Williams will be standing on his feet and mentioning his marriage vows. Yeah, so I think we should learn a lot from this film. When you're a gold digger, sometimes, most of the times, it's not good. Like, we should really advise ourselves. These movies, we think we are watching them for fun, but we should try to learn a lot from them. Learn a lot from them. So let me know your thoughts on this one as well. The next episode, I don't really know the schedule as to when they release their seasons, but as soon as I see another season, I'll review it and see if my expectations are right. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share. Till next time, stay safe and bye.